What is the current situation of the NGOs? Let's have a look at it. See, today NGOs are totally depending on government funding and funding agencies funding support. You will find most of these NGOs are writing proposals, submitting them to the ministries, going through the fulfillment of the wishes of all those people who are demanding certain things, and then wait for the fund support. It may come, it may not come. But there is not much money available in the government sector and also in the funding agencies. Hardly about anywhere between 50 to 500 crores is the kind of money that is available in with these agencies. Yet, over 1 lakh NGOs are standing in the queue to get funds from these agencies. And ultimately what happens? 80% of these NGOs are disappointed because they don't get funds from these agencies. Why then NGOs are still banging their head on the wall, knowing fully well that they will not see any kind of success? It is quite unfortunate that NGOs are still dependent on them, because they have not realized truly the power of masses and the power of general public. You see any kind of calamities that has taken place in this country. Start from the Gujarat earthquake, then floods, Bhopal gas tragedy, and then tsunami, and the latest flood situation in the southern part of the country. You take all these calamities and see who has contributed maximum for rehabilitation of all these tragedies. It is the general public. Even before government could assess what is the damage that has taken place in Nagapattinam and other locations, 500 crores money was available in Prime Minister's Relief Fund. So where the power is lying? The power obviously is with the general public, which NGOs have still not realized.